Good morning, everybody. Today we have the reassembly of a 2008 Chevrolet Silverado aftermarket stereo. Circuit board just came back in today from an awesome repairman. So I am going to do a short video here right before I get it put back together, just to kind of let you see. Here's the circuit board. I've looked it over. I can't even find where it was damaged. So that's the pretty awesome part. So there's your circuit board. There's the radios going back in. Alright, more coming here shortly. Here I've got the face off, and I'm just going to show it around to you real quick. And there you go. There's your face. There's the inside. That's got to go back in too. So I'm going to piece this together. Hopefully this will be a decent video. Alright, another quick clip here of the part that was fixed. Just to give you an idea. There's my thumb. Okay? There's my thumb. And I'm going to come in here real quick light and show you the area. Just as soon as the camera adjusts here. If it will adjust. Let's see here. It might not do it. Yeah, I'll have to include a still picture, but this is the area that was damaged. So, yeah, I'll include a still picture. Alright, board here is fixing to go back into its housing. Then I'm going to put it back together. Again, I've only got two hands. I have no holder for my phone here. So, Galaxy S21 Ultra. Wish I had something to hold it, but oh well. So, again, I'll be stitching these videos together. So, circuit board's back in. Just about everything's connected up. Two ribbons in there in. Right here is where the face connects to the circuit board, so that'll be going in next. So this is almost pretty much buttoned up other than some screws as far as the actual housing go. So again, stay tuned. Okay, the back is on. Turn this little bad boy here around. About to put the face on, and as you see, there's one little ribbon in there that I gotta get connected there, and the face go on here. So here's the face, three ribbons reattached. This is taking me a couple minutes because they're so thin and fragile, and these little places that they clip in are extremely small for my big hands. So I want to be exactly sure that the ribbons line up the way they need to be. So here it goes, putting this together and then screwing it shut and putting it in the truck. All right, wires are all connected. There's the radio, and it's going back in. Well, here it is, installed and working. Clear as a bell. So nice to have this radio back. Thank you. Hope everyone enjoyed.